Hello there. A couple years ago, I made a video where I clicked the mouse 130 times in 10 seconds, and you've probably seen it. If you haven't, just look for the video with the incredibly huge dislike bar. But I can understand why a lot of people seem to think it's fake. It's a bad quality video, and I'm sure it's pretty easy to fake these kinds of games or mod your mouse to click. I guess a lot of people do that in certain games, but it's nothing to do with the mouse, although it is a pretty sensitive mouse. What I'm doing is vibrating my arm and not necessarily clicking, up and down. I guess you could call it a skill. It's something that helps me win Mario Party pretty easily. But all I'm really doing is tensing up my arm, my whole arm, and just going to town on the button. So I'll show you. Okay, this is the counter I'm using. The last one I used was, I think it was called World Clicking Championships. And the problem with that one was that you had to click on Start and then move over to the actual button you click on, which would cut into your first second. So this one works better. And here we go. And there you go. 137. That's my highest score. I got 137 earlier today using this.
Alright, so this is what I'm doing. I put my hand on the mouse to keep it steady, because you don't want to push it off the button. And just pick a good spot on the mouse. I usually pick the center. I think that's the most sensitive spot, at least on my mouse, for this. And it doesn't have much to do with muscles because, well, clearly I don't have much, but just tense up your arm and just let it fly. Do 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 do.
Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm using the Guinness speed clicking program. You can find it in Google. Just type in Guinness mouse clicking. I think that's how I found it earlier today, and it's better than the one I was using before. Get a good mouse. Not necessarily for this, because this is pretty stupid, but it helps to have a sensitive mouse. If your mouse is really resistant, it needs a lot of pressure, it's going to affect the score. But really, it's all in the arm. Well, it's really all in the technique. Just tense up your arm and, get the shakes. Get the shakes all over that mouse. And, you get a pretty high score. And that's how I do it.